Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Roboto, back again with another trading video. So today, very quickly, we're going to talk about how to use volume price analysis to spot the daily market reversal. So a little background on this. Around 10:21 in my own private Discord, I went ahead and let everyone know that I was starting to get confluence for a downside reversal. Some of the things that I saw was we had volume on NQ compared to last week was lower on smaller moves, suggesting potential buyer exhaustion. There was an upper trend line rejection potential, and the fact that we were stalling to enter the 14,900 supply zone. All of those factors combined made me think that there was an impending market reversal, and we can see that that's exactly what happened. So again, around 10:21 is when I went ahead and alerted my Discord members, and we reversed soon after. So let's dive into this analysis, and so I can show you what exactly I was seeing. So this is the move that we did today, and then as you can see, this is how much volume this 1 hour move did right after open, right? Well, anytime I see something like this, I always want to compare the strength and the volume of this move to recent moves that were similar. So if we look at Tuesday last week, we had a similar breakout at open. So it's a simple, you compare the size of these candles to the volume that was actually put in. So if you look at this first 1 hour candle on Tuesday, as you can see, it's a smaller move, but there was actually more volume on the first hour of Tuesday. Let's look at the next candle that came with it, right? So if we look at the next candle on Tuesday, again, a smaller move, right, compared to the move that we put in today. But again, more volume than what we put in today. So these factors combined tell me there's potential buyer exhaustion right here, right? We're moving up higher in the price on less volume. That rings, that's just a huge anomaly to me, and that tells me there's potential buyer exhaustion. One more example, I don't want to beat a dead horse here, but one more example, this is the move that we put in on Wednesday at open. Look at the size of this candle. Okay, the size of this candle is, again, still smaller than the candle that we put in today at open, but look at the volume here. This volume is much, much larger than the volume that we put in today. Again, another sign that there is buyer exhaustion right here. Okay, so the other points of confluence that I noticed today was a couple. There's this upper wick that we put in on a larger time frame. There's this 1 hour supply zone at 14,901.5 that we couldn't even pierce, right? This 1 hour supply zone was, you can derive this zone from this basing candle right here. And the fact that we have this upper trend line, this major upper trend line that QQQ has been rejecting, that was coming into play very soon, right? So here's this upper trend line all the way down to here. And the fact that we are butting up against it, again, that's another point of confluence and another point that suggests to me there's a potential reversal coming into the market, right? So that's it. That's just how I do my analysis throughout the day. You're doing this analysis on the fly. Again, points of confluence, there was buyer exhaustion. We had this major trend line rejection potential. We had upper wicks on the larger time frames. We had, I forgot to mention, we had a new supply zone formation that was happening on a smaller time frame. That suggests to me that there's another potential downside move coming up. And again, there's the failure to pierce that 14,900 supply zone. All of those factors combined, all of those factors, when you start weighing those factors together, all of a sudden the move to the downside seems much more likely. Here's that supply zone formation that I saw, that I was talking about. So you see this, and then all of a sudden your price action is forming another supply zone. That's just another point of confluence that you can add to all the other factors that you're considering, and that will help you analyze these downside moves and these major market reversals intraday. All right, well, that's it. Again, my Twitter is Mr. Roboto Trades. If you learned anything, Please like, share, and comment on this video. I'm gonna have more videos out on this, and a lot of you have asked if I'm going to be opening up my private Discord so that you can be getting alerts like this, you know, at 10:21 before the move actually happens. I will be opening up my private Discord in the near future. So if you want to get on that wait list, go ahead and DM me on Twitter and I'll add you to the wait list. And again, hope you guys have a good trading day, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks.